Hi, this is Asasha, and welcome to another video of digital marketing course. In this video, we'll be discussing about how you can learn different terminology that will be used in digital marketing. Apart from that, there's another tip that I want to share with you that will help you grow your expertise in digital marketing and develop a digital marketer mindset. So first of all, what we are going to do is we are going to go to Google and Google digital marketing jargons. We are going to use the file type PDF. We are going to hit enter. So this digital marketing jargon buster is given by Google itself. This is a Google course website from where you can learn digital marketing course for free. So when you click on it, it will take you to this page. You can download it, you can take a copy of it and go through each of these terminologies one by one and study them, search for them, get to have a small videos about them. But I think this document is enough for you to get the basic terminologies of digital marketing. So basically what analytics means, what does app mean, what is a banner ad. When we talk about banner ads, a form of advertisement found on web pages and mobile application. Basically a banner ad is usually in an image format. What does blog mean, what does browser, what is click-through rate. A click-through rate, you'll hear about this quite a lot, many of times, and it means a number of times people click on an item of interest, like an advertisement, in comparison to the number of times users are exposed to that item. Now another one thing that I discussed with you is when you go to Google and you go over here to the podcast section, search for digital marketing basics, and you will be given a number of podcasts. Neil Patel is one of the best, and their podcasts are usually 4 to 5 minutes long. So this is a very good tool for learning basics of digital marketing. Then there are different channels. uh, Go through them, listen to their first episode or second episode, see which one you like the most. My personal recommendation is Neil Patel's podcast, and Digital Marketing Basics is also a good podcast. So apart from this, we'll be moving on to the basics of digital marketing. What are the templates that we use in digital marketing, what are the steps that are used in the digital marketing. So I hope you like this short video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you.